Today I'm gonna be doing a hair mask. Right now, as you can see, my hair is dry. I haven't washed it in 2 weeks, so it's like dry and stuff because of the whole pandemic going on. I've been like so busy, I didn't get a chance to do like a wash day, so I'm gonna do it today. Like, you can like hear how dry it is. Like, y'all hear this? But like, yeah, so I'm gonna do a hair mask with bananas, honey, and olive oil. So I just washed my hair with shampoo and I'm currently drying it with a microfiber towel, if you know what they are. This one's really cool. I'm not using it like the way it should, but you basically could wrap it around your head and then like just kind of like tuck it and then it stays tucked. But I'm not doing that right now because I'm about to put a hair mask on and I want the hair to still be a little wet so that it gets and it flips right through it. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections and then I'm gonna apply it each at a time. I sectioned my hair into 4. It really doesn't have to be perfect like how you do it. Like, as you can see, this is not parted perfectly. It's really not like whatever. You just need to have 4 sections. So like that, you put the product in each section at a time to make sure that it gets through all of the hair so that you don't miss any like spots or anything like that. So I'm gonna start now. So in the previous video, you guys saw like how I made the hair mask. This is it. I'm about to put it in my hair. All right. Gonna start with the back first. All right. Go. Please hold this for me so I can put it in my hair. Why are you wearing roller skates?
Hey guys.
All right, move to the side. Boom. See, I don't know if you can do this while wearing these skates.
I can.
All right, so, oh, already making a mess. Look at that. It's okay. You just rub it in your hair. If you make a mess, just rub it in your hair.
Make sure to go.
Unless it falls like on the floor or something, then I don't know what to tell you about that.
Make sure to go check out my channel, Dory's World.
Yeah, my sister wants you guys to subscribe to her YouTube channel, Dory's World. So if you guys want, do that.
Please.
I like to make sure I really get the ends. I don't know, I always feel like the ends of my hair is like the most important part. I don't know why.
Because he's most curly. You look really
Kind of tangled a bit. And I detangled it while I was washing it. But, you know.
There's hair in your thing. Mix with hair.
Alright. And then what you're going to do is, after you do each section, you just
roll it.
As she just said.
And then you just put it into a bun.
Little tiny bun. Take a clip.
And clip it. Section 4 completed.
Section 4. This is the first section, Dory. Make sure you get your edges too, you know, unless you don't really care about your edges, but I care about my edges. So Okay, so I'm back. I just rinsed my hair. I rinsed it out with the Jamaican black castor oil rinse. I don't know if you could see it, but I mean, oh yeah, there we go. So I rinsed it out with that, and this is it. It feels so nice. Like, look at my curls. Look at my curls. They look so good. Now I'm gonna go style it. I'm gonna do a wash and go. Why is it like up like that right here? But wow, this is nice. It does not feel dry anymore. It's not like, you guys see like how shiny and nice and stuff it is? Okay guys, so it's the next day. I styled my hair last night and I wanted to come outside in the sun to like show you guys how it came out, because I added some color to it. This is not permanent. It's like the paint wax hair color. So I put that. I have like 2 of them here. So I decided, why not do a little something different? But yeah, you see the curls? It's fucking beautiful, bro. Like, it's so pretty. Like, look at this. Ooh. Let me give you guys like a little 360 turn. All right.